So for this largest to smallest, we are using this column, and this we are only going to sort this very column, because as you can see, it's even separate from other text. Since there is a break here, there is no relation. So we click on it, then we click on our sort and filter, then we choose sort largest to smallest, so that we'll have 10 coming up and 1 going down, right from largest to smallest. So for filters, we use filters to filter through our robust content to be able to see in clear view what we want to identify. So to apply filters, we first select our text to the point we want to cover. Then we'll click on sort and filter and click on filter. So we now have it filter. We can be able to pick a particular person now. Say I want to view James Bill. Now click on the filter button, then choose James B. I'll check all and choose James B to be able to view only his information. Normally this is not supposed to show up because it is not part of his name, but because it is not in the table, it has to show up. It's not part of this table, that's why it's showing up. Everything that is not part of this will not be, or anything that the filter does not cover will not be affected. So that's why we have James B. His number is 2. His address is 345 Dodan, Lagos. And his monthly salary is 100,000, as we can see. So we can as well pick by typing in the search box. Say I want Tom Joe. I'll type Tom. Okay, bring up Tom Joe. I will click OK to select him and view his information. We have a custom sort too, where you can be able to choose more than one attribute to sort from. See, we sort by first by this value, by name, then smallest to largest as a order. I can choose a value, font color, cell icon, and all of that. I can keep a level to add another sort list. Here, after sorting by address, I'll pick another thing, sort by amount. And this is also A to Z, or largest to smallest, or smallest to largest. I click on OK. So that is how our sort will be applied. First, I'll pick by address. My address is here, then by amount. Thank you. If you are confused, you can leave your question in the comment section. Bye.